Hey guys, what's up? It's Karina. Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how I transformed this men's button-up shirt into a cute summer two-piece set. So if you guys want to see how I made this happen, then go ahead and just keep watching. So the first thing that I did was remove the sleeves and the collar from the shirt. Because of the way the shirt is finished, it made more sense for me to actually just cut them off instead of trying to remove all the stitches. So that's what I did. Once I finished that, I also took off the pocket in the front because I'm not going to need that one anymore. And then the last thing I did was cut the shirt right in the middle to use the top for my shirt and the bottom of the shirt for my shorts. Working on the top of my two-piece set, I cut apart all of the seam lines and then draped the piece of fabric onto my dress form. So I made a dart on the bodice and then marked all the lines with a pencil. After that, I just go ahead and cut out the bodice. Once I finished that, I sewed all of the darts, overlocked and cleaned up all of the edges, and then my last step was to add trim to the edges of my top. I had this really cute floral trim that I found in downtown LA, and I decided to add it to all the edges, but because I didn't have enough to go around the back, I decided instead to create an open back with straps that would tie instead. For the shorts, I went through basically all the steps to make them, and once I got to the end and tried them on, unfortunately there were some fit issues. They didn't fit high-waisted, the fabric was way too sheer for me to actually wear out, and there was some gapping in the waistband, so I decided to just scratch the shorts and just use the top instead. But mistakes happen, and honestly, it's a learning experience. I'm trying to figure out where I went wrong and hopefully not do that next time. And here it is, all finished. That's all I have for today's video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please press the like button down below. And if you guys want to see more videos just like this one, go ahead and click right here to subscribe to my channel. Or if you guys want to watch the last videos that I've made, you can go ahead and click right there. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.